Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a kids profile in the Audible app. First you have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have some titles and an overview of the app. From here we just go into the profile menu, and then as you can see here we have a create a kids profile option. You can tap on this. Here is an overview of what the kids profile actually means, how it works. We can tap on create a kids profile, and then that's basically it. That's just how you do it. You will have your main profile here, and then you can switch to the kids profile like this. As you can see, it has less options, but yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.